High up in the majestic Andes, where the air is crisp and the sun graces every petal, we grow the world's most exquisite roses. At Rosaprima, growing roses is a balance of tradition and innovation. From our foundation in 1995, we have combined time-honored practices with modern techniques to cultivate roses of exceptional quality. Sustainability lies at the core of our business. Our work with the land guides our understanding of nature's delicate balance, allowing us to grow our roses with deep respect for the environment and a commitment to social responsibility. From the richness of our soil to the precision of our harvest, every step reflects our pursuit of excellence. With decades of expertise, each flower reflects our passion, dedication, and careful attention to detail. Our greenhouses are a living canvas, a delicate play of color and form. Here, our master growers meticulously examine thousands of varieties, selecting only the finest to add to our exclusive collection. Behind every rose is a story of dedication. An exceptional team of skilled women and men stands at the heart of Rosaprima. Their expertise, commitment, and passion make it possible to deliver collections that inspire. Rosaprima, iconic roses for life's extraordinary moments.